Hey there, my name is Dimitri from Tactiq, and I know you're probably wondering, how is it that our AI ends up allowing you to take all that wonderful transcribed meeting information and turn it into the information that you want to utilize quick and easy? Well, lucky for you, inside of Tactiq, we actually have the ability to interact with your transcriptions in ways that are a lot more simple than you might imagine. If I click on any of my different meetings in here, you'll see that there are a bunch of different AI tools at the top, but they're not the only AI tools that you can actually use for your meetings. If you're somebody who wants to take advantage of what's going on in meetings by focusing on the content of it rather than needing to jot down notes, these tools are going to help immensely. Both here in the AI tool section, you have the ability to quickly use any of these prompts that exist, like the detailed summary or the summary and action items, which is one of my favorites. And as you can see right here, responds with a quick summary of the meeting and then action items for the different members of the meeting. Now, this is really effective for those of us who are trying to just get that quick information, but these specific prompts may not be the best ones for you. And where that comes in is the option to utilize custom meeting kits. Now, you can access these by going to AI tools. And as you can see here, I have all of my AI meeting kits, one for sales calls and another one that has some summary action items. So if I create a kit here, what I can do is I can add different prompts. And in those different prompts, you'll see there are different things like write a detailed summary of the sales opportunity that is present within this call. And if I go back to the call here, you'll see there are different meeting kits. Some come by default with Tactiq. As you can see, all these ones with the emojis are actually from Tactiq itself. But if I go to my own custom one, I can click on this sales opportunity one here. And what it's going to do is it's going to pump out a response based on that prompt. And it gave me some great ideas for sales opportunities here. Now, if I have a specific question that I want to ask that isn't kind of templated in these AI tools, meeting kits, what I can do is I can either add a new kit here or type out a specific question. Like, what was the most important thing that Dimitri and Jason discussed on this call? Press ask. And then from there, it's going to ask that specific question. And the launch of Bardine's new go-to-market strategy is, I would agree, probably the most important topic here. So this is definitely what I'd like to see. Now, obviously we have these AI tools over there, but that's not the only thing we have. We also have workflows. Workflows are great because what it allows you to do, as you can see with these different templates, is actually take different tools like Slack and other products and integrate with a really quick workflow that works amazing. So if I click on one of these, you'll see that it showcases a step-by-step sequence after pressing a flow that allows you to run multiple prompts and have that output go into different places. There's a list of integrations that's constantly growing. It's not just Slack, but there's also Notion, Linear, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Google Drive, Workable, and much more on the way. So by pairing all of these different ways that you can use our AI tools, you're going to have a much more advanced system inside of Tactiq that you can take that transcribed text and just do so much more with it. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.